How to delete your YouTube account permanently. First thing you have to do is open up your YouTube application. Once you open it up, you just need to make sure that you're logged in. So tap on the profile icon at the bottom right. And then from here, you'll find your Google account option. Tap on Google account and it will take you to your Google account manager. And once this is loaded completely, head over to data and privacy. And from here, you're going to have to tap on data from apps and services that you use. So just tap on it, then click on apps and services. And from here, head over to YouTube. So click on delete a service. And from here on out, you're going to have to select YouTube. So do the same thing from here, select YouTube. And then from here, delete a service. Now, once you get here where it says your data in YouTube, you could just go ahead and tap on the more option. And then from here, you'll have to delete it. So select the account that you want to delete. Now that will open up your YouTube Studio right here on your phone. Make sure that your desktop site is turned on. And once that is done, you can just go ahead and tap on your content right here, dashboard. And then from here, you're going to have to simply go ahead and edit your channel. And from this left sidebar, you're going to have to select settings down below and then click on the option where you have to delete the channel. So click on advanced settings. Head over to channel and then advanced settings. Now scroll down all the way and click on manage YouTube account. Then you'll be taken to another page right here. Now all you have to do here is click on delete channel. So here on your account settings, here you're gonna have to go ahead and select remove YouTube content. So click on add or manage your channels. And then from here, you're gonna have to head over to this option where you can delete your channel. So you can create a channel if you want, or you can select the existing channel to edit it and delete it. Now from this advanced settings right here, you are going to have an option to delete channel. So tap on it, just provide your password and you should be able to delete your channel. And that's pretty much it, guys. I hope this was helpful. I'll see you on the next one.